Welcome back, and I don't even know what to begin with. Hey superstar, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MaryamKapama, and I'm back with another hair video. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning supporter, the one subscriber, regular watcher, I so much appreciate your support and I appreciate you. Thank you very much for coming back. Also, today I'm back with another hair video, and as you can see, it's a different place. I was welcomed by my amazing friend called GRACE BIMZ. As you are aware, she does natural hair videos. She's an amazing YouTuber. Be sure to check her. However, I was hooked. You see all these products, these are for your hair, and they're going to transform your hair tremendously. So I'm going to go through each of these products, and I'm going to link everything in the description box, so be sure to check it, because if you want to grow your hair thicker, longer, healthier and voluminous, you must have this product with you. Other than that, I'll see you guys, so please keep on watching. I don't even know what to begin with. Oh my god. This is so we have pure black Jamaican castor oil. Actually it's pure black castor oil, but you people must not buy black Jamaican castor oil, but it's the same castor oil in that. And this is yellow castor oil. Wow. This one is rich with vitamin E, protein, omega-3 fatty acids and antibacterial properties, so it's amazing. Oh my god. The yellow is also, it has a bunch of benefits. It stimulates hair growth, it prevents hair fall and give your hair healthy and thick, give your hair healthy and shiny hair. Wow. Next to this one, this is natural hair growth oil. Oh my god, this is amazing for your skin because it's full of penetrating oils which are going to penetrate your scalp, and the ingredients are pure coconut oil, tea tree, jojoba oil and olive oil. The benefits: fastens hair growth and stimulates blood circulation to your scalp, so it's amazing for your hair. It's amazing. Moving next to these are mini spray bottles and mid spray bottles. So as you already know, for a naturalista, to begin with, you need to put your hair in moisture all the time. So with this spray bottle, this can be even in your handbag, and this can be for your house use, so you can move around with this. It's a mini size, travel size. Moving on, next you're moving to this African shea butter. So this brown is for your what you put on your skin for glowing skin, and this is for your hair. So the black is for the hair and the brown is for the skin. The massive benefits when you're using this shea butter: it prevents breakage, improves hair damage, moisturize your hair for 24 hours, give your healthy hair shiny. And yeah, ingredients: rich in vitamin E, protein, omega-3 and fatty acids and antibacterial properties, so it's amazing for hair growth. However, as you know, shea butter is used to lock the moisture. We moisturize our hair and we have to layer our hair in order to secure it from losing moisture. So moving on next to this black African soap. This is what you need for your natural hair. It has no parabens, no sulfate, no alcohol, no nothing that your hair does not deserve. It has all the natural ingredients that are adequate for your hair and are going to stimulate hair growth. This soap is not going to leave your hair frizzy as the regular shampoos will with your hair. So I would recommend this. Personally, I have used this and it's amazing, and I can recommend this to you all. It has benefits. It's antibacterial, exfoliates skin, it fights acne, it moisturizes your hair and skin, remove dark spots, and stimulates hair growth and leave your skin shiny and glossy. Damn, you see that? This is what you need. And the packaging is amazing. Look at the packaging, look at it. Damn, it's amazing. Moving on next to this. Oh my god, this is So this is what you put on a spray bottle. So this is globally powder. The way to use it is displayed here, and I'm going to read it for you. First of all, to start with, you'll start with the benefits, because this says fasten hair growth, prevent hair fall, give you a healthy hair, shiny, rich in antioxidant, fiber, potassium, and vitamin C. Use the mixture of guava powder in water at least 3 times a week. My friend, if you want to grow your hair faster, use it every day. Use it every day. Add this to this bottle and spray it at least every morning and every evening to secure that moisture, okay? To secure the moisture. So moving down to the lotion superstar, here are hair accessories, the satin bonnet, the satin scarf, the hair clips, and a lot of other accessories for the hair. So everything will be listed down in the description box, and be sure to check it. Thank you very much for watching this